I'm Susan. Today is a cool day and I hear it's going to get worse. We're expecting snow next week. So I'm going to make some chili. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. I have 5 pounds of ground beef, 1 onion chopped, and about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to brown this and drain it. And I'm also going to add salt and pepper to taste. For the rest of this recipe, you'll need 2 heaping teaspoons of Mexican oregano. You'll need 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 heaping tablespoons of cumin, 4 heaping tablespoons of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a heaping tablespoon of dried cilantro, or you can use fresh if you have it. Just use a little bit more. You'll need 29 ounces of crushed tomatoes and 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes. You'll need 28 ounces of tomato sauce and a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. You'll need a 10-ounce can of rotel tomatoes, and you'll need a 12-ounce can of tomato paste and a can full of water from that tomato paste. And if you add beans, you can use beans of your choice. I'm going to be using pinto, kidney, and chili beans. After draining your cooked hamburger meat, you want to add in all your tomato products, your water, and all of your seasonings, and give it a good mix. Once you get everything mixed, you want to cook this on low for about an hour, stirring occasionally. I usually came back about every 15 minutes and stirred. And here it is mixed up really well. And here it is after the hour. And you can eat this just like it is if you don't want beans. Usually I dip out some of this now and save it for hot dog chili without the beans. And I try to leave as much of the juice as possible in the boiler. I want my hot dog chili to be nice and thick. To what I have left in my boiler, now I'm going to add my beans. You can add whatever kind of beans you like. I'm using pinto, chili beans, and kidney beans. You could add black beans or whatever. And if you rather rinse yours and drain them, you can do that as well. We like that extra juice for the crackers and cornbread to drink up that juice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, this chili is really good. I have tweaked this over the years, and my family loves it. We eat it year-round. So until next time, bye, y'all.